Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at the KFC Porsche Roundabout where we'll be turning right, 4th exit, signposted M1. Currently driving on Waterside Road and just coming up to the roundabout, and you can just about make out the KFC restaurant on the right hand side of us, and we'll be approaching the roundabout shortly. So anyway, as we approach, as normal, check your mirrors, interior right hand side door mirrors, time your signal appropriately because there's a KFC entrance here, car park entrance. Signal about nowish and get yourself safely in the right hand lane. Now on this one, you've got to be really careful because the traffic sometimes will be traveling really fast because it's a 40-mile-an-hour road here on the right. So just make sure you have a big safe gap before you enter. Safe now, so I'm going to enter now. Keep into the right lane. It's already past the first exit. That's the second exit you see in front. Now you've got to follow the dotted line to the middle lane. Check your mirrors. Come into the middle lane at this point here. Okay, so far we've gone past 2 exits. We have a red light. Just going to wait here. Okay, this next part is the tricky part. So as we go around, we need to keep the car reasonably close to the broken white line that you see there on the left, just that splits the lane between our lane and the lane next to us on the left. So stay reasonably close to that line, and then we need to go towards the lamppost. We're going to use the lamppost as our reference point. So checking our mirrors, moving off, keeping reasonably close to that line, keeping that right signal on, going towards that lamppost, checking your mirrors again, and then after that lamppost, mirror signal left, and then we can be exiting here on the 4th exit. So this is the KFC Porsche Roundabout, turning right, 4th exit, signposted M1. Just be careful with this one, guys. Like I said, you need to stay with the white line, use that as a reference point, and then also use the lamppost as a reference point, so you know where to sort of take the car. Anyway, coming off here, checking your mirrors, and speed limit is 40, so getting the speed built up reasonably quickly. Thanks for watching.